Hello, in this jQuery video, I'm going to show you the mouse leave event. So we got the mouse enter event, and just a little quick recap, mouse enter is triggered when your mouse enters essentially the area that element, possesses or, has on your page. So do that. And for a div, because it's a block level element, therefore it spans the entire page. I can do it here as well because technically it is there even though the text isn't there. Okay, so the mouse leave, I think you can guess what that is. I'm just going to apply it to the div. Principle is the same for anything that you select. So I'm going to say div dot mouse leave function console.log, and I'm just going to say leave div or exited div. I don't know if leave is a word. Is leave the word? Let's have a quick look. Leave. Yeah, but it's for the actual leaf that you get on the tree. So exited. I know exited is a word. Okay. So if we were to go into it, and if I go off it, go into it, go off it, and same with these as well. So that way we can check when our mouse has essentially hovered on it, when the mouse has hovered off it. Okay, so a use case for this. A use case could be to highlight an object, for example. So what I'm going to do is highlight it here, and this is where you're really going to see the benefit of having a complementary mouse leave. Because if I do, actually, leaving the console logs in there doesn't really matter. I'm just going to modify the CSS of this element. So if I just do this is just the particular one that is selected from this event .css. Again, I'm going to have I've got separate videos covering CSS, so just bear with me and just know that this code is covered in a separate video. So this is color red, and now if I reload it, as you can see, but watch what happens. They all turn red, or let me just reload it. So if I hover over div3 and I go off it, though the mouse leave event was called, because we didn't do anything, it remained red. You might want that, but chances are if you're doing something that's changing the styling or animating it, you'll probably want to reverse it. And that's where the mouse leave really comes into play. So if I were to just paste this here, and if I replace this with black instead, now if I run it, as you can see, that looks a lot better now. That looks pretty darn cool. So that's how you use the mouse leave function. You can do whatever functionality in JavaScript, jQuery that you want here. This is just a simple example. In the next video, I'm going to show you the mouse hover, which essentially combines both of these methods into one. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as an extra task, what I want you to do, we have together applied a CSS of color, so red and black, so just turns red and black depending on if the mouse is on it or not. I want you to do something similar before underlining. So if you're hovering over it, it underlines the text. If you're not, then it doesn't underline it. For more sort of CSS tips and just how to use those features, I'll recommend having a look at those videos in this series. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.